Hi, and thanks so much for joining us today. I am here with Adrienne Moscheo, and she's a professional organizer. And if you are trapped with some stuff that maybe you want to get rid of, but you don't know how, and you don't know how to work through the emotions of why you still have it, and how to get from here to the next point in the process of dealing with it, how do you do that? If you've been struggling with stuff that you've inherited from mom or dad or grandma, or maybe it's your child that's moved away from home, or maybe even a child that's passed on. How do we deal with those things that are tied up in our homes and they become a part of our lives because they're part of our emotions? So please help me welcome Adrienne Moscheo. How are you today?
Thank you so much, Angela. I'm great. I'm so honored to be here.
Tell us a little bit about the remote process. I know that you said on the first session you don't let people clean and you have a discovery call. Tell me a little bit about what that is and how somebody might get started working with you if they're really hesitant and they know they need help, but they don't know what they need and they're scared to ask for help, or they've been caught in that could cloaked in should.
So, when I offer virtual organizing to people, sometimes it could be someone that's local that just is not comfortable. It really came up during COVID as well, but it's a time like with COVID, people didn't want you to come into their physical space, and that made a lot of sense. But it was also a moment to recognize a lot of people can do this on their own. Professional organizing I want it to be accessible for everyone. And I think it has been painted as a very elite and a service that is a luxury. And it is for sure. But I think there's a way in which anyone can be supported, and virtual organizing is absolutely available to you. So, how it is set up is if I'm meeting with a new client, all they need is a camera, basically, their phone or their laptop. We talk first, meet them, talk first about what is it in their space that is really the hang up. What are they struggling with? What's their day-to-day lifestyle? Kids, they live on their own, animals, just getting to know what I would normally be coming into a space seeing. I need them to let me into that space of their lifestyle. So once I get to know them, then they show me their actual space. So they will walk around their space and show me the closet or the pantry or a kid's room that maybe does not have any systems, that they do not know where to start. And then I come up with a game plan. So this whole session is recorded, so they are able to listen back to what I've shared. They can rewatch over and over again to have those tools or the things that I've communicated to them. And then the next step is having another session where sometimes on that first session, I give them homework, or sometimes I create a game plan. And then the next session is when we actually start. Some clients want to do that with me. So it's almost as if I'm with them and they're like, what about something like this? And we kind of go through. And it's not piece by piece, but a lot of people think it will be, I call it clunky. It's not. It has been one of the most fluid things because each client is able to just let go and be like, okay, I'm in here and this is happening. It's like you're consulting, but from afar. And clients get really excited about it because they can instantly see and they're empowered to do it on their own, but with the support of a professional organizer.
I want to thank you for being with us today.
Oh, thank you so much. It's been an
We've
honor.
talked about
Questions.
some really honest stuff. But I want to leave our audience with one thing, and that's something you said that's really, really important. And you said you are worthy of living in a clean space and you are worthy of
Yeah.
support. And I want to encourage you guys to really think about that as you go about your business over the next few days. If you are worthy of a clean space and you're worthy of support getting there, what does that look like for you? Ah, this was so good. I
Yes.
hate that our time is over.
Oh,
Tell our listeners
good.
where they can go to find you.
So you can find me on Instagram at yhello.blythe, Blythe. And then my website it's www.blythe.fun, because we are having fun while organizing. Yeah, those are the 2 best places you can find me, and within my website, you can submit any questions that you have, any projects, that you need, all the services that we provide.